Good job. You want to tell them some of your animal noises? What's a cow say? How about a horse? And a monkey? And an owl? Hoo, hoo. How about a duck? Quack. And a chicken? Quack, quack. How about a rooster? How about a goose? Honk. And a bird? What's a bird say? Tweet, tweet. How about an elephant? You can say elephant. What's an elephant say? That's a tough one, huh? How about a dog? Woof. How about a kitty? Meow. Can you say bye, Matt and Linda? I love you. That's a big one. Say bye.
Bye-bye, Matt. Bye-bye, Matt.
Say bye-bye, Linda.
Bye-bye, Linda.
And Mama too. Can you say I love you?
Love you.